What's up guys, this is Josh here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can send and receive money using Cash App. But before we dive into that information, if you like and appreciate these quick video updates, be sure that you obliterate that like button. And if you are looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're also interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click the red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. Cash App is similar to Venmo. It is a simple smartphone app that allows users to transfer funds with just a few quick taps. So the code that you see here on your screen, and I'm also going to link it in the description box below. If you click it, we both will receive $5 just for you signing up for Cash App. So once you have linked an active banking account, you can begin sending, receiving, and requesting money on the app. The opening page is this green page that you see here, and on this page is where you can request for money and also pay someone money. And I'm going to share with you this page first. Just say I want to send $2 to someone. I'm going to enter into, then I'm going to click the icon that says pay. Then it's going to lead me over to this page where I can enter in who I would like to send that payment to. I can either enter in someone's name, their Cash App, send it to their phone number or to their email, after which you can then type what the money is for. Mainly this is for your records and the person that you're sending the money to. On the top where it says $2, you then can select where this money will be coming from. You can link multiple accounts to Cash App as well, and I'm going to show you how to do that later on in this video. On my screen, as you can see, I can pay from my cash balance, which is in the app, or from my Capital One checking account. Now, to request money from someone is almost the same steps, and this is a great feature, especially if you're a college student or you're that wife out there that's shopping. You can do the same thing. First, you're going to click on request, and you pretty much can ask that person for money. Just know that when you request or someone is requesting money from you, you do have the option to accept or decline their request. The box up here, you can scan someone's code, or you can display your own code, which is a QR code to quickly send and receive money using other smart devices if someone shows you their code. You can click the icon or picture right here to see your cash code as well, and you can change it or personalize it if you choose. And by clicking the home icon, or if you have money in your account, you will see your balance like you see on mine. If you click there, it will give you more information. It's great with Cash App because you can set up transfers, and also you can have direct deposits set up through Cash App. You can trade and buy Bitcoin, and this is also where you can link your accounts that I was talking about earlier. You can link more than one account as well. By clicking Cash Out, any money that you have in your balance on Cash App, you now can send this money to that banking account. The icon over here will show you your Cash App card, and you also can personalize your debit card. And with Cash App, they do have a credit option, but mine is simply a debit card. From this menu, you can add it to Apple Pay, design your card. As you can see here on your screen, this is actually a copy of my card and how I designed it with the face and the money signs for eyes. And also you can report problems with your card right from the app. The cash icon on the main screen, we already covered closer in the beginning of this video. The next icon that you're able to invest in stocks and also buy and trade Bitcoin, which you can see that they will give you a little bit of information about the stock that are being displayed in the app, and the same with Bitcoin. And lastly, you have a log and a history of your past transactions, and that's pretty much all that you need to know about using Cash App. Again, you can download it and get a free $5 by using the link down in the description box below. For ways to save, make money, and all things related to your finances, go ahead and check out some of the videos right over there on your screen. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and that way you don't miss anything, and I will see you in the next video.